नमस्ते बिटिया, खुश रहो। आई एम जेवियन डॉक्टर ब्रजराज सिंह चौहान, एसोसिएट प्रोफेसर इन फैकल्टी ऑफ एजुकेशन एंड मैथडोलॉजी, ज्योति विद्यापीठ वुमेन्स यूनिवर्सिटी। प्रोग्राम नेम एमएससी मैथमेटिक्स सेकंड सेम। कोर्स नेम numerical computation, and session of today is Newton Gregory forward difference interpolation formula. Suppose we have an equidistance value of argument x, that is a plus h, a plus 2h dot 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 a plus nh, so that a function y is equal to fx. Assume the value fa plus h, fa plus 2h dot 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 fa plus a plus nh. Then expansion of fa plus uh is equal to fa plus u1 upon factorial 1 delta fa plus u2 upon factorial 2 delta 2 fa plus dot 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 delta n upon factorial n delta n fa is equal to r is equal to 1 to n summation ur upon factorial r delta r fa. Here ur is not u to the power r, but it is just like a factorial function u minus 1 u minus 2 dot 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 u minus r minus 1. Proof of this formula is given here. Suppose fx is a expressible polynomial function such as fx is equal to a0 plus a1 x minus a1 plus a2 x minus a exponent 2 plus dot 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 an x minus a exponent an. Then putting the values of x minus a to the power different, we can write this notation is in this polynomial form, where a0, a1, a2 dot 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 an are constant to be determined. Here we have to determine the all constant a0, a1, a2 dot 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 an. The procedure is following. First of all, we have to put x is equal to a in equation number 1. Putting the value x is equal to a, we get fa is equal to a0. Hence a0 is equal to fa. Again putting x is equal to a plus h, then in equation 1 fa plus h is equal to a0 plus a1h. Hence the value of a1 is equal to delta fa upon h. In similar way, we put x is equal to a plus 2h, x is equal to a plus 3h. When put x is equal to a plus 2h, then we get value of a2. After solving this term, we get value of a2 is equal to 1 upon factorial 2h square delta 2 fa. In similar way, a3 is equal to 1 upon factorial 3h cube delta cube fa, and so on. Similarly, an would be 1 upon factorial n h to the power n delta n fa. Substituting these values in equation 1, we get the equation fx is equal to fa plus delta fa upon h, x minus a plus delta 2 fa upon factorial 2h square, x minus a plus h plus delta 3 fa upon factorial 3h cube, x minus a plus h, x minus a plus 2h dot 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 this equation. Now putting x minus a upon h is equal to u and x is equal to a plus uh in 2. So we have fa plus uh is equal to fa plus u delta fa plus u minus upon factorial 2 delta 2 fa plus u minus 1 upon factorial 3 u minus 2 delta 3 fa dot 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 u minus 1 dot 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 u minus n minus 1 upon factorial n delta n fa. So this is the expansion of fa plus uh is equal to fa plus u1 delta fa plus u2 upon factorial 2 delta 2 fa, u3 upon factorial 3 delta 3 fa plus dot 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 un upon factorial delta n fa. This is Newton-Gregory formula. This formula is used usually for interpolating the value of fx when x is slightly greater or slightly less than 2a nearby the beginning of x is equal to a. Again, Newton-Gregory backward difference interpolation formula. Now we have values a plus h, a plus 2h, dot dot dot, a plus nh. These are n plus 1 equidistant argument of x of the function y is equal to fx, and corresponding value fa plus h, fa plus 2h, dot dot dot, fa plus nh when the fa plus nh plus uh is equal to fa plus nh plus delta fa plus nh. Here delta is different from above, plus u plus 1 upon factorial 2 delta 2 fa plus n h plus u plus 1 u plus 2 upon factorial 3 delta q fa plus nh plus dot 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 u plus 1 u plus 2 dot 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 u plus n minus 1 upon factorial n delta n fa plus nh, where u is equal to x minus a plus nh upon h. Proof of this is as follows. Suppose fx is expressible polynomial of degree n. Expansion is fx is equal to a0 plus a1 x minus a plus nh to the power 1 plus a2 x minus a plus nh to the power 2 plus dot 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 an x minus a plus nh to the power n. Here exponent is not a power, but expansion of this is just like to factorial notation, where a0, a1, a2 dot 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 an are constant to be determined, and x minus a plus nh to the power k is equal to x minus a plus nh, x minus a plus n minus 1h dot 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 dot, and similar process. Now one may be written as fx is equal to a0 plus a1 x minus a plus nh plus a2 x minus a plus nh into x minus a plus n minus 1h dot 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 dot, in similar way. Now putting x is equal to a plus nh in equation number 2, we get fa plus nh is equal to a0, or a0 is equal to fa plus nh. In similar way, putting the value x is equal to a plus n minus 1h into, we get the value of a1 is equal to finally delta fa plus nh upon h. Putting x is equal to a plus n minus 2h in equation 2, we get the value of a2, or final value of a2 will be delta 2 fa plus nh upon factorial 2 upon h cube. In similar way, a3 will be delta cube fa plus nh upon factorial 3 h cube, and so on. An will be delta n fa plus nh upon factorial n h to the power n. Substituting these values in equation number 2, we get fx is equal to fa plus nh plus delta fa plus nh upon h dot x minus a plus nh plus delta 2 fa plus nh factorial 2h square x minus a plus nh x minus a plus n minus 1h dot 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 dot, or n term at the last. This is one form of the Newton-Gregory backward difference interpolation formula. Putting x minus a plus nh upon h is equal to u, then x will be a plus nh plus uh. In 3 we have fa plus nh plus uh is equal to fa plus nh plus u delta fa plus nh plus u plus 1 upon factorial 2 delta 2 fa plus nh plus u plus 1 u plus 2 upon factorial 3 delta cube fa plus nh dot dot dot, and in this way we can write nth term. This is the required form of the Newton-Gregory backward difference interpolation formula. I hope you are satisfied with my digital session. If you have any query, please mention in comment box. I will resolve it. Thank you.